Hi, Josie. This is the last group of structures that you're going to miss later on in the week. Okay. The first one is she or he has just. Okay. The Spanish way we are going to say that is acaba de. Okay. And then we're going to include a verb after there, like comer. Okay. So I'm saying he or she has just eaten. Okay, acaba de comer papas fritas. She's just eaten French fries. Okay. If I want to make it into the past tense, she or he had just, then I'm going to put it into the imperfect past, or that ongoing past. Acababa de. Okay. You don't need to write comer in your notes. But acababa de, and whatever I'm going to say, then it implies he or she had just. Okay. All right. The next one, she or he tries to impress. It's pretty straightforward. Trata de impresionar. Okay. So trata is my verb. He or she tries or attempts to, and de usually means of, but it just goes together in this expression, and then impresionar to make an impression or to impress. Okay. To make it past, he or she tried to impress. We're going to do the preterite, pretérito, the completed action. Trató de impresionar. Okay, so that's in yesterday, Jake trató de impresionar Ben. Okay, he tried to impress someone. Okay, the last two are she or he learns to drive, and she or he learned to drive. So it's the verb is aprende a manejar. Okay, so find the word apprentice in there. Okay, like the process of learning. So aprender is to learn in Spanish. So if I say aprende a manejar, it's she or he learns to drive. And manejar is typically the one that we're going to use in Latin America and Mexico. In Spain, you're going to hear conducir, to like conduct. Manejar is like to manage. So this is the more common one that we would hear. Okay. So past tense, she or he learned to drive. Let's do the completed action. Aprendió a manejar. Okay, so she learned to drive, he learned to drive, aprendió a manejar. Okay, so those are the 6 structures that you need for the latter part of the week. Acaba de, acababa de, trata de impresionar, trató de impresionar, aprende a manejar, and aprendió a manejar.